Zhuzhed up smoked bacon wrapped hot dogs. Hey, welcome back to Smokin' and Drinkin'. I'm Mike, and today we're going to make zhuzhed up smoked bacon wrapped hot dogs. Let's get smoking. All right. Okay, you're probably asking, Mike, what the heck are zhuzhed up smoked bacon wrapped hot dogs? What is zhuzhed? I had to ask my kids too. That's one they use all the time. Zhuzh, when something's zhuzhed up, it means it's, I don't know, fancied up, things added to it. That's what we're doing here. We're making bacon wrapped hot dogs. We're going to smoke them on the smoker, but it's really this one's all about the toppings. You know, we're going to go 3 different style of hot dog toppings. We'll get to that in a minute, but first thing we need to do, we've preheated the smoker at 275. It's going right now. It's almost there, and we're using hickory pellets. You can use apple or cherry. I wanted to go a little stronger. I wanted to go with something a little more bold, so we're using hickory pellets. They're not going to be in there very long. They're not going to get a lot of smoke on, but the bacon will certainly gather up some of that smoke. It's already hickory smoked bacon, so we're going to have a real hickory flavor to it here. But as far as prepping the hot dogs, we're using all beef, bun length kosher hot dogs. Nathan's, I think, is what I'm using here. And we sliced them, scored them just a little bit, kind of spiral scored them, just to take on more of the flavor. So we've got that done, and we're ready to wrap them in the bacon. So we're using thin cut bacon. You don't want to use the thick cut. They won't crisp up quite as well. It'll take too long. And so we're using the thin cut. And just like everything else, all the other bacon wrapped things we've done, just kind of wrap them in a spiral pattern. I think we can get 1 slice per dog. Yeah. If you need to, you can use toothpicks to hold the bacon on. You want to soak them in water so they don't come unraveled on the smoker. I don't know that we'd really need them. The bacon will adhere pretty well, but we'll go ahead and do it anyway. Just for good measure, we've got them soaking here, so might as well use them. And we'll just get these wrapped up, and you don't need to watch me do that. It's not very exciting. Be right back as soon as we're done. All right. You can see we've got our 6 dogs wrapped in bacon. We used 1 pound of bacon. We've got about probably half a pound left. That's all right. I think we'll probably have BLTs tomorrow. So we'll set that aside. We'll put that in the fridge and save that for another dish. But the next thing you want to do is season your hot dogs. I'm going to be using the Golden Hog Dust. This is something I've made. You've seen me use it before. It's a blend of brown sugar and there's half a dozen different seasonings in there, but it goes good with pork products. These are beef hot dogs, but bacon. So this is going to go really, really good on those, I think. But just want to coat them liberally, just like you do with any other rub. Let's take that off. Oh, a little chunky. That's okay. A few chunks in there. And try and flip them over with the toothpick on there. Might be a little tricky. We'll get most of it. It's all right. Maybe we'll throw some on there after we get them on the grill, on the smoker. All right. Speaking of the smoker, we'll check to make sure it's up to 275. And then it's really all there is to the hot dogs. It's a simple recipe today. Big game tonight, so we're going to have kids over and watch the game and have some hot dogs. Traditional game fare. So let's get these on the smoker, and while they're smoking, we'll talk about our toppings. All right, well, we've got the dogs on the smoker. We're going to let those go 45 to 60 minutes. We're shooting for getting the bacon rendered and crispy. So we'll just have to keep an eye on that. We'll check it 30, 45 minutes. It'll probably take about an hour to get there. But as you can see, we got hoagie rolls. We're gonna toast those just a little bit. Nice big bun because we're gonna have a lot of payload to get on them. So we're gonna have, as I said, we're gonna have three different styles of hot dog. First one, Der Hund, which is a loaded dog. Of course, sauerkraut. You know me, I've got to have the sauerkraut, and we're gonna have the sautéed onions that we sautéed on the Ninja, a little bit of butter, and we're gonna use some creamy queso sauce and a little bit of our hot honey, not that one, hot honey barbecue sauce. We're kind of going easy. We're using store-bought ingredients. I thought I had some hot honey, but evidently we used it all. So I had to make my own. So I made a little bit of hot honey barbecue sauce. I love hot honey. And so that'll go on, drizzle that on the top. Second dog, the Caliente Perro. It's a Southwest heat style hot dog. Of course, toasted split bun, the bacon dogs, and we're going to have our charred or our grilled pickled jalapenos. We love pickled jalapenos around here. They're not quite as hot as some other ones. The pickled ones, a little bit more mild. Mrs. Smokin really likes those. So we're also going to add some Cholula cremosa sauce, cilantro lime. Haven't had that yet. I'm excited to see what that's like. And we are also going to add on the top some cotija cheese. It's often called Mexican mozzarella, I think. It's delicious, though. It's crumbled cotija cheese. That'll be awesome. And of course, our third one is southern southern inspired sweet heat barbecue called Bless Yer Heart. It's going to have, of course, the bacon dog and brown sugar. We're going to have a Memphis inspired barbecue sauce. It's a balance of sweet and tangy sauce with a little bit of smoky flavor to it, Memphis style. And we're also going to have some pickled red onions. I haven't had those before either, but they smell awesome. And we're also going to have on there just a shot of yellow mustard. But oh, I forgot to mention, I went ahead and just put some cracked black pepper on the dogs before I put them on the grill, so that'll just add a little bit more bite to them. But let's go. We're gonna go ahead and wait for the dogs to get done, and then we'll get our dogs built up here. Be back in a minute. All right, it's been 45 minutes. I think I checked on the dogs. They are done. Let's go get them. Oh boy, those look great. I think they are ready. Nice and crisped up. Just get them off. Get them bunned up. Get a couple extra. Got a couple more people coming. Those will be done in a little bit. Oh yeah, those smell delicious. Oh yeah, got myself a pale ale here. Gotta have beer with your hot dogs, right? So those, oh boy, I can smell the bacon, the hickory smoke. There's even some maple smell coming through there. That's the Golden Hog Dust in there. There's some maple and brown sugar in there. Oh, they smell fabulous. So we're gonna get our buns toasted, and then we'll build these dogs. All right, we've got our buns toasted, our bacon wrapped dogs smoked. Let's get these toothpicks out of the way. And let's get these dogs built. Oh, those are going to be delicious. All right, first one is Der Hund, after my own heart, a German dog. We want the dog on there, and we're going to sprinkle some of these sauteed onions, just a little bit. I don't like a whole lot. And of course, a little bit of sauerkraut. Gotta have some sauerkraut with Der Hund. Okay, and then some of our sweet, a little bit of the hot honey. Just drizzle that on there a little bit. Oh, we need more. Okay, you can't forget the cheese. We're using queso, creamy queso cheese sauce. Kind of mixing our heritages a little bit here, but that's okay. I was going to use beer cheese, but I didn't have time to make the beer cheese. That'll be next time. All right, that is dog number one. Just gonna set that over here. Dog number two is gonna be our Caliente Perro. And puppy dog heard that. He came running. And we got our toasted split bun. We got our bacon wrapped dog. And we need our grilled jalapenos. Shouldn't use my fingers, so I'm gonna probably rub my eye or nose later. And then we need some of the Cholula cremoso sauce, cilantro lime. Okay, and we need our cotija cheese on there. Oh, I can't wait. I'm going to want to eat all three of those. All right. Put that one right there. And then our third dog is our Bless Yer Heart. That's my best Southern imitation. I apologize, those of you in the South. And let's see, we need our bacon dog on there. Oh boy, the puppies are here now. And we need our Memphis style barbecue sauce. Memphis style sauce. Let's wait with that. Oh, puppies, you can't have any of this. I'm going to wait with that. We're going to go with the pickled red onions. Put a few of those on there. Those are really interesting. I've never had those before. Okay. And just some yellow mustard. Traditional dog with yellow mustard. And our Memphis style Southern barbecue sauce. Come on. There we go. Oh boy. Yeah, that is going to be delicious. Okay. So there's our three different styles of dog. Slide these aside. The rest of the family can choose how they want to build theirs. Oh boy. Look at that. We got our Yer Hund, our Caliente Perro, and our Bless Yer Heart. 3 fabulous hot dogs there. Can't decide which one I want to tear into. Oh, can't wait. Of course, gotta have our pale ale to go with it. I made a pale ale. I think I have a video for that. If I do, I'll put a link up here for it. And you see how we made the pale ale. Cheap and easy style. I don't have all of the expensive equipment to do large scale batch brews, but I think I have that video. I'll put that up there. But let's tear into these. I think I'm going to go with Yer Hund first. It's one of my favorites. Oh, untore, it's falling apart. I got it. We salvaged it. Here we go. Can't wait to get into it. Oh, boy, that's no ordinary hot dog. Wow, that is delicious. See how it pairs with the pale ale. Yep, can't beat beer and a hot dog. Okay, let's try the Caliente Perro. That one looks good too. Oh boy. Oh yeah, there's some spice there. There's some heat. Oh wow, different marriage of flavors there. Completely different than the first one. It's spicy, it's creamy and cheesy, and that bacon, that smoked bacon on there. Wow, that is good. I may have a new favorite hot dog. Well, let's see how that one goes with beer. Yep. All right, let's try this one. Bless Yer Heart, Southern style. Smoked bacon wrapped dog. Here we go. Okay, wow. Once again, completely different. That's got that sweet southern flair to it. I don't know, is that a thing? Southern flair to a flavor? Oh wow, the mustard and the pickled red onions. Wow, those are all 3. Holy cow, I don't know. I might have to eat all 3 of those. Oh boy, those are great. Yep, definitely gotta have the beer to go with it. Well, that about does it for the zhuzhed up smoked bacon wrapped hot dogs 3 ways. I want to thank you once again for tuning in to Smokin' and Drinkin'. If you like this video, hit the like button, or as they say in the South, smash that like button, and ring the notification bell. Remember to subscribe. And as always, Prost! Wow.